Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P2650 refers to a malfunction in the rocker arm oil control solenoid circuit in the Honda Civic models from 2022 and onwards. This diagnostic trouble code is related to the variable valve timing system, which plays a crucial role in optimizing engine performance, enhancing fuel efficiency, and reducing emissions. The rocker arm oil control solenoid regulates the flow of oil to the rocker arm oil control valve, thus controlling variable valve timing. When the Honda's Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects an output voltage outside the specified range for the rocker arm oil control solenoid, it triggers the P2650 code, indicating a potential malfunction in this system. It's essential to address this error promptly, as it might affect engine performance and efficiency significantly. The key components affected by DTC P2650 include the rocker arm oil control solenoid, the rocker arm oil control valve, and the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. The rocker arm oil control solenoid is integrated with the rocker arm oil control valve, regulating oil pressure and thereby influencing the timing of the engine's valves. Situated in the engine compartment, the rocker arm oil control solenoid receives commands from the PCM, which is located under the dashboard in the passenger compartment. The solenoid receives voltage signals, and any deviation from the specified output indicates a malfunction, prompting the PCM to store the DTC for diagnosis. The PCM plays a vital role in monitoring various engine functions and adjusting performance parameters for optimal operation. Several potential causes for the P2650 DTC may include a malfunctioning rocker arm oil control valve, issues with the rocker arm oil control solenoid connection, or a faulty PCM. If the rocker arm oil control valve is defective, it can lead to improper oil flow, affecting valve timing and engine performance. A bad electrical connection at the solenoid may prevent it from receiving the correct signals from the PCM, leading to a circuit malfunction. Furthermore, if all other components appear to function correctly, it may indicate an internal issue with the PCM itself, which can misinterpret signals or fail to send appropriate commands. Identifying these causes is crucial to properly resolve the DTC. The symptoms associated with the P2650 error code can manifest as various engine performance issues, including rough idling, stalling, or a noticeable decrease in power during acceleration. The functioning of the variable valve timing system is critical for maintaining optimal fuel efficiency, and any disruption can result in poor fuel economy, leading to higher operational costs over time. Additionally, the check engine light will illuminate on the dashboard as the PCM records this fault, alerting the driver to an underlying issue that requires attention. Ignoring these symptoms can lead to further engine complications, making it imperative to diagnose and fix the root cause as soon as possible. The first step in troubleshooting the P2650 DTC is to start the engine and observe the voltage output from the rocker arm oil control solenoid. This is essential to ensure that the system is active and that the PCM is able to receive real-time data. If the voltage output falls within the specified range, which typically should be 13.9 to 16.9 ohms at room temperature, it suggests that the solenoid is functioning correctly. If the output is abnormal, this points to a malfunction in the rocker arm oil control valve. Ensure all connections are secure and that there is no visible damage to the wiring, as these could also affect voltage readings. In this step, you must disconnect the rocker arm oil control solenoid 2P connector and the PCM connector number 1, 96P. It is essential to ensure the engine is turned off before performing this step to avoid electrical hazards. Once disconnected, inspect the wiring for any signs of damage, such as fraying or corrosion, especially at the connection points. Use a multimeter to check for continuity and ensure that the resistance readings are below 1 ohm for both the VTSEX circuit and the PG signal circuit. If readings are above this threshold, it indicates a break in the wiring that requires immediate repair before further testing can be performed. After ensuring the wiring and connections are intact, you should proceed with the control inspection. This involves jumping the SCS line with the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, and waiting for over a minute before proceeding. This step allows the system to reset and obtain a fresh reading. Following this, evaluate the condition of the PCM based on the outcomes from the previous inspections. If both the rocker arm oil control valve and solenoid are functioning properly, and wiring shows continuity, but the DTC remains active, it indicates a malfunction within the PCM itself, which may necessitate further diagnostic testing or replacement. Once all repairs are made, it is critical to clear the DTC from the PCM and conduct a recheck to ensure that the issue has been resolved. Use the HDS to clear fault codes and run the engine to monitor if the check engine light reappears. It is essential to verify that all systems are functioning correctly and within specifications after the repairs and disconnections are performed. If the DTC does not reoccur, it confirms the effectiveness of the repair. If the DTC returns, further diagnostics may be necessary to explore other underlying problems, or ensure the components replaced were functioning perfectly after installation. Preventive maintenance is essential in avoiding DTC P2650 from recurring. Regularly inspecting the wiring harness for any signs of wear or damage can prevent unforeseen issues. Ensure all connectors are clean and free of corrosion to maintain optimal connectivity. Additionally, lubricating the connectors with a dielectric grease can protect them from environmental factors that could lead to corrosion or wear. Following a routine inspection schedule ensures that any potential problems are identified early, thus prolonging the life of the rocker arm oil control solenoid and the PCM. This proactive approach can save both time and money in the long run by mitigating severe engine issues. In summary, understanding DTC P2650 is vital for maintaining the engine performance of the Honda Civic 2022 Plus. The rocker arm oil control solenoid plays a crucial role in the vehicle's variable valve timing system, impacting engine efficiency and emissions. A systematic approach to troubleshooting, including voltage checks, inspection of wiring integrity, and evaluating the PCM's condition, is essential to accurately diagnose and address the issue. Also, preventive maintenance measures can help avoid such errors from recurring in the future, ensuring the vehicle remains in optimal condition. By following the steps outlined in this guide, technicians can efficiently identify and rectify issues related to the rocker arm oil control solenoid, ultimately enhancing the performance of the vehicle. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.